Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have another amazing software for you. This one is called Cosmo AI, and in a nutshell it's an application that is fully powered by Google's latest AI technology called Gemini, which is going to help you turn any text, any pictures, PowerPoints, PDF, URLs, and including tweets into high definition videos. And this definitely will help you create an agency, all-in-one AI platform that helps you create an agency that you can extend such services to others and definitely charge your customers yearly or monthly as you choose. And this means you'll be able to say goodbye to all those freelancers and services that you get from others at high exorbitant prices on monthly basis. Okay, so that's exactly what this one does for you. It's going live on the 15th of January 2024 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, and which is Central European time 5 p.m. and GMT 4 p.m. That's when this blog will go live. At any point you decide to buy this one, that first link below in my description area will bring you, that first link will bring you to the sales page, which is exactly this, and then you will be able to pick up a copy of this product using any of the yellow links scattered all over this page. If you stick with me, I will show you also the bonuses that I have for you, which are going to help you start online and help you sort of augment what you have already. And it's a lot you have out here. Show you also the pricing, and of course take you to the almighty dashboard area of this amazing product Cosmo AI, so that you see we go through these tabs and see what they can do for you. Okay, now let us go into proper details with this one. But before we go further, I will remind you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notification. And now let's go into more details with this one. This is what Oda Pramanik, the creator of this amazing Cosmo AI, said. He said it's the world's first application that is fully powered by Google's latest AI technology called Gemini, and this turns your texts, ideas, PowerPoint, PDF, blogs, tweets, and URLs into amazing videos, high definition videos in less than 2 minutes, and you'll be able to start your all-in-one AI platform or agency and charge your customers as you desire. This is exactly what I told you before, and you can say goodbye to high expensive freelancers that work for you in this regard. Okay, so now look at the benefits here. You turn any text, ideas, PowerPoint, and blogs, tweets, and URL into stunning 4K AI video contents. And with this you can convert text to AI videos. That means you can create videos for your YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok just by entering a keyword of your choice. And then you can turn also your ideas and make them a reality by entering your prompts, keyword I mean, and let AI turn it into stunning videos with AI voices as well, because it has voiceovers as well. You can transform your text into lifelike speech and choose from over 2,000 ultra realistic voices in 75 different languages, saving time and cost and on voiceovers, which others do for you on freelancers. Okay, so you can generate lifelike AI avatars videos for your company and marketing, and you can also do AI voice cloning. That means produce a realistic clone of voice, including your own voice or other voices, and use it to do your marketing and videos. Okay, and you can create engaging videos from blog articles with Cosmo's blog to video feature. You can see it in the dashboard when you get there, and then you can also convert your PowerPoint to video just by uploading your PowerPoint, and Cosmo AI auto generates a script and adds AI avatars like voiceovers and music in a matter of seconds. And then with this you can also turn your tweets to video. I mean, it goes on and on. You can create videos from photos, you can produce video maker, you can also say goodbye to monthly fees. I told you this before, and it has commercial licensing included. What means you can create and sell as many assets as you like to your own clients and keep the profits. And it is beginner friendly, and it has 30-day money back guarantee. That means in 30 days, for any reason or without any reason you want to return this product, you'll be able to do so comfortably and get your refund fully. Okay, so that's in a nutshell what you have there, and that definitely generally describes the idea behind this very application from Oda Pramanik. and you have three basic steps. Step one will be to give the command, key in a word or a statement or your idea into the keyword area, and then it will that's when you buy this product using that first link below in the description. Then you'll be able to go to step 2, and then Cosmo AI will harness the power of Google's latest AI technology, Gemini. I have seen it is crazy. It's even going to rival with ChatGPT 4 and produce desired AI content in the blink of an eye. And then of course step 3 will be to profit, and then you start making money with those videos, depending on if you're an affiliate marketer, a creator of anything. I mean, it helps you do that. Okay, so that's what we have as the steps, and then I will leave the rest of the review of this sales page, including the testimonials and all the income proofs they have here, so that you'll be able to go through them yourselves, so that we don't waste a lot of time with this one. Okay, so you see, it's very forward, in the sense that it helps you short your time. You can do this, automate it if you have the upgrade, and then it will definitely serve you and make money for you while you are sleeping. Okay, because you can pre-arrange your videos and be able to separate them in voiceovers and be able to do that comfortably even when you are asleep. Okay, so it's one that I would recommend for anyone who is interested in making money using videos on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reels, including YouTube Shorts. So it's basically an amazing software as long as I am concerned. And with that said, we are going to try to move forward with this review by definitely going to the very members area of this amazing product, so that you see how it's going to help you. Now look at the dashboard area. This is the button that gives you access to text to image, and here you have the AI voiceover application, which is the button that gives you the ability to add voiceover to any video that you have produced with this Cosmo AI by even using ordinary keyboard or text or PowerPoint, including PDFs. Okay, so you have text to video, you have idea to video, you have text to speech, you have photo to video, you have AI avatar and voice cloning in case you want to clone your own voice and add it to the very video you are creating. This is going to help you clone it or anybody's voice whatsoever. And you have this one, PowerPoint to video, product to video, tweet to video, blog to video. I mean, it's crazy what this can do to you. All the business ideas you can imagine, you'll be able to translate them into videos. I mean, short videos that people can watch and patronize you by visiting your bio or your profile and get the links that will definitely make money for you. And you can use this to create an agency business for yourself, where you extend these freelancing services to others and make money online. So we are not going to waste time on the dashboard area, and what I'm going to do now is to play you the demo video of this product in action, so that you see exactly how it works, and then we'll come to see the pricing and also go through my amazing bonuses, and then we'll wrap it up there. Okay.
Fruits have many benefits, including nutrients. Fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Dietary fiber. Fruits are a good source of fiber, which can help.
The United States is an incredibly diverse and captivating country that offers a wide range of tourist destinations. Our first stop is
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us today for this business presentation. Today we are going to discuss our company's performance, future plans, and growth opportunity. Our sales have increased by 20% compared to the previous year. Strategies to
Get inspired and stay accountable with Versa 4 Plus Premium. Learn when to work out or recover. Built for better fitness results. Daily readiness score, Hensity.
Why ashram food isn't all vegan. Food makes your thoughts. What type of food you eat. Vishwaji beautifully explains what happens.
Welcome back to my channel where I review IT products and the training courses that are going to help you make money online. Now let us take a look at the very pricing for this amazing product. The front end goes for $17, which gives you access to this dashboard where you do all the magic. And then you also have the OTO number 1, which is the unlimited version. It goes for $67. And if you want AI unlimited platinum plus, it goes for $147. That means an upgraded version of the unlimited version, which means if I would advise, I would advise you get this front end and the unlimited. And of course, if you want the platinum plus, you'll be able to get it for $147. That's affordable for what it does. Now the OTO number 2 will be the done for you edition. It goes for $197 here. You don't have to lift a finger. The team of this launch is going to, they are going to be the ones to actually do everything for you and possibly automate it for you. Everything is done for you. And if you want the platinum plus edition of this OTO number 2, you get it for $297. You have OTO number 3 as Cosmo AI automation, which I told you to automate it so that while you are sleeping, your business is going, the videos are running, and of course it goes for $97, which is another advantage you may have. And you have the OTO number 4, which is plug and play, $97. And if you want the play platinum plus for $167, you have OTO number 6. Cosmo AI Infinite Traffic, it goes for $97, and you have the AI Infinite Traffic Platinum Plus goes for $167. You have the OTO number 7, which is AI Agency, it goes for $67, and you have the Platinum Plus for $147. You have the OTO number 8, which is Cosmo AI Reseller, it goes for $97. That means you can resell this product as if it's your own and keep the profit across the entire funnel. That's about the price. It's quite affordable for what it does. It makes life easy for you online and makes you churn out contents online using ideas, PowerPoints, URLs of any material you have out there, including your texts that you have written yourself, to turn them into videos. It's a powerful idea. And now let's take a look at the amazing bonuses that I have for you. Number 1 will be ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, which means you'll be able to learn from scratch how to start online and how to upgrade your business exponentially. You have number 2 as list building expert, which is how you become an email list expert and drive your internet business to success by making money on demand. You have also number 3 internet marketing fast start. In case you want to start online and you don't know where to start, this PDF is going to help you read and go through and put it into practice as you go. And you have the number 4 affiliate marketing soft secrets. This is very important for who wants to make money advertising and promoting others' products, and that means you make up to 50% sometimes in commissions. You have also 30-day the bigger email list ebook. You have number 6 as chatbot marketing mastery. You have building the perfect sales funnel. You have blogging for profits. Number 8, email list building liquid number 9, and copywriting crackdown as number 10. These are 10 amazing bonuses, including the ones from the vendor who is selling this product, which you are going to get at the dashboard when you buy this product using my link. And with that said, at any time you buy this product, after your purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that is going to give you access to 2 buttons. The green one will give you access to Cosmo AI, and then the blue one below it will give you access to these bonuses. But if it doesn't happen that way, reach me with the email address associated with my Warrior Plus account where this product is launched or hosted. You'll be able to get it from me by email. Okay, with that said, we are going to come very close to the end of this review. Like I said, Cosmo AI is the world's first application that is fully powered by Google's latest AI technology called Gemini, which turns your text, ideas, PowerPoints, blogs, tweets, and URLs into, including photos and anything you have out there, into videos, 4K high definition videos, which you can now do on your Facebook Reels, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook Reels, and others, including stories. Anything you want, you'll be able to do with this one. And it's going live on the 15th of January 2024 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, which is Central European Time, 5 p.m. and 4 p.m. GMT. And then I will advise you and encourage you to help us by liking this product, and of course also comment to this channel and use the bell icon for notifications and subscribe. Do not forget to do that, so that we are going to bring all those products that are going to help you make money online, so that whenever we upload any content online, you'll be the first person to get information about it. And with that, we say goodbye to this very review. I will come back to my next. Till then, I remember your mic of the mic Mbadiwe.com. From me, from here, it's goodbye.